Well, everybody, we're working on a new car to the channel here. Even though it's a new car to the channel, I have actually not owned a car longer than I've owned this one. This is my 2004 RX8. I've had it since I was 16. The reason you have not seen it on the channel, though, is because right before I started the YouTube channel, exactly, the engine's worn. It has 96,000 miles on it. It does run. It did when I parked it, at least. And today, and seeing if we can get it to start up again, to run some fuel through it, kick it on, just everything run a little bit before it sits more. Probably, honestly, the next time you see the car, it'll either be because I need to move it somewhere or because I am rebuilding the engine. So, with that being said, I guess I'll get you all set up. The first thing we're going to do is just try and turn the engine over by hand a little bit, just to make sure a seal hasn't gotten stuck while it's been sitting, because it has been sitting outside on grass for the past, like 5 months. So there's a chance it could have a stuck seal. So we're going to do that so I don't end up ruining the engine that I'm pretty confident is fully rebuildable at the moment. Okay, so we're here under the hood now. The car's been sitting a few months, so I wanted to make sure the engine would still spin over freely before I cranked it, in case like a side seal got stuck, hit the starter, and then just roast a side plate in the side of a rotor. Didn't want to do that. Did it on a race car once, bad day. So if you come over here, I can show you what I did. Now this won't always work, but in this case, most rotors you can get away with this, not all piston engines, but you can put a wrench on your alternator, and just with the friction of the belt you can turn it over. But I am feeling no compression, like whatsoever. So it's going to be interesting to see this thing start. I mean, that's why it's parked, because of lack of compression. But yeah, it turns over free. There's no hard spots, anything like that. Now, if you look over here, we did realize my hydraulics went bad, and it leaked all of its fluid out. So that's fun. But I think now I'm going to go through, just check the oil, check the coolant, and then I'll get back to you when it's time to fire it up. Well, it's time to see what it does. Got the key in, the lights did turn on the dash. Let's see if it cranks. Oh? Just give it a second. I think it's gonna start. Oh, clutch. I smell a lot of fuel.
It's either flooded or I smell fuel.
not sure it's gonna do it.
I think it's dead.
Well, guys, next time you see this car, it'll probably be getting an engine rebuild.